I am going to show you how to make delicious and healthy overnight oats in a jar that your entire family will also love to put together. You start with oats, about half a cup. Whatever you think you can eat in the morning, put that in a jar. And it's better to get a jar that has a top so that you can seal it, and if you need to take it somewhere, you can easily transport it. This is half a cup of oats. And then chia seeds. Put a tablespoon of chia seeds. Now, chia is delicious because it's a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. And amaranth, which is a superfood, another tablespoon of this. Now, this adds protein, helps to lower cholesterol, and increases weight loss. And a dash of my favorite, cinnamon. Cover this all up, shake it, give it a good shake so it kind of disperses everything. And now you cover this with a liquid. I'm using coconut milk, but you can use almond milk, regular milk, orange juice. And put your favorite fruits. You can use bananas, apples. I love mango. So I'm using this mango puree. Putting on the top of this. Now this is the fun part. You can top this off with anything that you like. Raisins. This is where the kids can pick their favorite items that they love. Goji berries. Now goji berries are amazing antioxidant. It improves depression, helps with anxiety and sleep, a real superfood. Coconut flakes. And walnuts. You can use almonds or any type of seed that you like. A dash again of cinnamon. You can add a sweetener. I'm using turbinado sugar, but you can also put a little bit of honey. And top this off again with more milk. This gives it more moisture. Cover this up. Put this in the refrigerator. You can eat it in the morning. Deliciousness and goodness ready for you and your family.